Today's repair is on a BMW X7. This little tailgate at the bottom of this hatch. That is pretty ugly. What makes these really tough to do is I said it buries. It's gone. And that's why you have to either take it off or work with it on it. When you work with it on it, you're kind of working like this, upside down. It's not easy at all. So I don't know if I'm going to take it off. We'll see what I can accomplish. Let's give it a try. That's all you could do. I started on this vehicle kind of late in the day. Told the customer it was going to take a day, possibly the next, and it did. So I ended up needing basically a day and a half to fix this. And this customer has very small children, and she needed her vehicle back. So again, here you go, as a technician, you've got to not only fix the dent, but fix it under a time constraint. And that's the life of a PDR tech. Body shop wants to replace the entire gate and repaint the entire hatch and the gate and maybe blend the bumper. Oh, it gets crazy. So in this situation, you would decide as a technician how you're going to approach this, and you have like 15 minutes to decide that. In this case, I found out I could not take the hatch off. It was very complex. I didn't feel like the bolt patterns were going to line up again, and I balked on it, and I repaired this dent just using the gate up and me upside down. Now this is during some final detailing, so I'm really not in this position very much, but it is a prerequisite if you are a paintless dent repair technician. It really is. You do have to get into these physical angles that are tough. It's a physical job. Now I do have great glue pulling system for trying to pull the dents out so I don't have to do much, but it really doesn't pull out body lines. What fixes body lines is getting tooling down into the panel and pushing out from whatever opening you have. And on the newer cars, there's less and less openings because they are building it up for more safety. And so if I did take this panel off the vehicle, it would have been tough to stabilize it for the amount of torque it took to push. So I had to make that decision, get it done, and there you go. This little piece came out, which was nice, so it gave me a little bit more opening, and that's really how the job got done. All right, all done with this BMW X7 2023. Let's take a look here. Tough job because I didn't take off the gate. You know, usually I take off the panel, put it on a stand, but this one, these gates are pretty tough to do, and I didn't want to remove it. I didn't have time to even wipe this car down. I really had to get this vehicle back to the owner and get on my way. Tough repair, glad it's over, but it came out nice.